Hi everyone, welcome to this easy crochet tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use a slip stitch to make a chain. So here I have my yarn. I'm going to do my slip knot, which I just loop it, poke it through the center there, and then pull it tight. Now I put my hook through the middle, pull that loop tighter, and now I'm ready to go. So here I'm going to loop my yarn over the back of my hook and pull it through the center there. And that is your first slip stitch. Let's do it again. Loop it over the back, pull it through the center, loop it over the back, pull it through the center, loop it over the back, pull it through the center, and that is the beginning of your easy crochet chain.